Dear students, your first chapter, Letter to God, starts from here. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Crest here means top of a hill. चोटी, पहाड़ की चोटी है, उसके ऊपर मकान था लेंचो का। लेंचो जो कि हमारी स्टोरी का हीरो है, जिसके बारे में स्टोरी लिखी गई है। फ्रॉम दिस हाइट वन कुड सी द रिवर एंड द फील्ड ऑफ राइप कॉर्न डॉटेड विद द फ्लावर्स दैट ऑलवेज प्रॉमिस्ड ए गुड हार्वेस्ट। लेंचो, इसके बारे में स्टोरी है। उसका मकान पहाड़ी के सबसे ऊपर था और वहाँ से आप नीचे बहती हुई नदी को, रिवर को देख सकते हो। उसके अलावा उसके कॉर्न के पके हुए खेत थे। वो एक किसान था और उसके खेतों में कॉर्न, जिसको मकई या मेज़ भी बोलते हैं, उसकी फसल पक चुकी थी। तो उसके मकान से नदी और उसके खेत बहुत सुंदर नज़र आते थे और उसके खेतों में फसल पर फ्लावर्स लगे हुए थे। फ्लावर्स जो कि एक साइन है फ्रूट्स का। अब खूब सारे फ्लावर्स हैं, इट मीन्स खूब अच्छी फसल होगी, फ्रूट्स होंगे। फ्रूट्स हियर मीन कॉर्न, फसल से है। द ओनली थिंग द अर्थ नीडेड वॉज ए डाउनपोर और एटलीस्ट ए शावर। अब किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत थी लेंचो के फील्ड्स को? हियर अर्थ मीन्स हिज फील्ड्स। एक डाउनपोर, डाउनपोर मीन्स हैवी रेनफॉल, गुड रेनफॉल, अच्छी बारिश की। अच्छी बारिश नहीं तो एटलीस्ट व्हाट ही वांटेड, ए शावर। शावर मीन्स ये हल्की फुल्की बारिश, बूंदाबांदी। तो यानी कि उसके खेतों को अब बारिश की ज़रूरत थी और बारिश अगर होगी तो उसको बहुत अच्छी फसल मिलेगी। थ्रू आउट द मॉर्निंग लेंचो, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. As he was a farmer and उसकी फसल जो थी वो लगभग तैयार हो चुकी थी, कुछ ज़्यादा काम उसके पास खेत में करने को था नहीं, तो खड़ा होकर सिर्फ क्या विश कर रहा था? He was wishing for the rain and he was northeast faced because ये वो जान रहा था कि जो बारिश आएगी वो perhaps that will come from northeast direction. So Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, here intimately means closely, very well, जो अपने फसलों को जानता था, जो अपने फील्ड्स को जानता, that means he knew कि उसके खेतों को अब क्या चाहिए, उसके खेतों को अब बारिश चाहिए थी। तो he was wishing for a downpour or rain. Now we are really going to get some water, women. Now it's direct speech of Lencho. He says to the woman working at his home, and she was probably his wife, we are going to get some water. Water here means rain. कि शायद अब कुछ बारिश होने वाली है। The woman who was preparing supper. Supper means dinner. रात का खाना। supper prepare कर रही थी। What she replied? Yes, God willing. हाँ, अगर ईश्वर ने चाहा तो definitely it will rain. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them, "Come for dinner." Now, Lencho had some kids too. उसके बड़े बेटे थे, बड़े बच्चे थे, they were working in the fields. And जो छोटे बच्चे थे, they were playing near the house and the lady called them to come and join for dinner. It is direct speech of the woman. Come for dinner, लेंचो की वाइफ की स्पीच है। It was during the meal that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. जैसे कि लेंचो ने predict किया था। Predict means estimated or likely to happen in future, or you can say forecast. जैसे कि लेंचो ने predict किया था कि बारिश होनी चाहिए, होगी, और तभी जब वो they were having their supper, dinner, big drops began to fall, गिरने लग जाती है। And from the same direction where he has estimated. From northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. बड़े बड़े बादल. They were coming from the same direction where Lencho was looking. The air was fresh and sweet. बारिश गिरते ही हवा एकदम मीठी प्लीजेंट हो जाती है. मिट्टी की भीनी भीनी खुशबू आनी शुरू हो जाती है. And Lencho was very happy. So the man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. The man here means Lencho. As Lencho was very excited, so to enjoy the rain, that pleasant fragrance, he goes out और वो प्यारी सी खुशबू को एंजॉय करता है और बारिश की हल्की हल्की बूंदों को ही wants to feel on his body, महसूस करने के लिए बाहर चला जाता है. And when he returned, he exclaimed, वापिस आया बहुत खुशी से बोला, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. Now see what he calls to these raindrops? New coins. Why new coins? Because he was a farmer. And after this rain, he'll get a good crop. And after selling the crop, he'll get money. So he calls these coins, these raindrops as new coins. The big drops are 10 cent. What is cent? Cent is a monetary unit in various countries. That is equal to 1/100th of a dollar or euro. You can say that 10 paisa. And the little ones are fives. To him, big drops were like 10 cent and the smaller ones were like fives. So he was very happy. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. Draped means here covered with. So he was having a view of his fields as it was raining, and it appeared to him as if the rain has draped or covered his fields with it. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Now some changes started to appear. Raindrops, they change into hailstones. What do you mean by hailstones? Hailstones means ओले, जिन्हें हम हिंदी में ओले कहते हैं. बड़े बड़े ओले गिरने शुरू हो जाते हैं. बारिश के साथ अभी बड़े बड़े ओले गिरने शुरू हो गए. And these truly did resemble new silver coins. अब जो ओले हैं उनका कलर होता है white. And silver coins, they're also shining like